Good morning students, wishing you all a very happy new year.
Today I am going to discuss about your project assignment for term 2. First, cover your page and then write down name, class, section, roll number, and in the place of subject write project assignment. Next, you write term 2 project assignment. Next, acknowledgement. Write down, I would like to express my special thanks and gratitude to my subject teachers as well as our principal ma'am to give me the golden opportunity to do all these wonderful projects. I would also like to thank my parents and friends who helped me with their valuable suggestion and guidance. Date, name, class, section, roll number, and then teacher's signature. Next, index. Make 6 columns, serial number, date, subject, topic, page number, teacher's signature. In serial number, write down 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. In date, write down date. Subject, write down the subjects as given in your PDF. In topic, in English, write down the name of the poem that you are supposed to do the project on. In Bengali, write Chitra Varnana and Hindi, Chitra Varnan. Mathematics, number line. Science, aquatic animals. Social studies, map work. Computer, hardware components. Value education, my value tree. Bibliography, you don't have to write anything. In page number, write down the page number in which you are doing the project and keep the place of teacher's signature blank. Next, in English, you have to do a project on write a well-known poem on water on the right side of your project copy. Draw a relevant picture on the left side of your project copy. A poem on water means like rain is also a form of water. You can choose the poem Rain Rain. Write the full poem and draw a picture related to it. Like rain, rain, go away, come again another day, and write the full poem. In Bengali, you have to see these pictures and then you have to choose from the 4 pictures given below which one came first. And in the next one, you have to fill in the blanks. In Hindi also the same. First you have to write according to the pictures given which one came first and then fill in the blanks. In mathematics, the topic name is number line. Add the number on the number line, 3 plus 5. Do the addition on the right side of your project copy. Draw the below mentioned picture on the left side of your project copy and color the correct number bucket. Means you have to color the answer from this bucket. Next, science. Topic, aquatic animal. Write names of 5 aquatic animals on the right side of your project copy and paste 2 pictures of them on the left side of your project copy. Next, social studies. Topic, map work. In the outline, political map of India, identify the below mentioned states and union territories and shade it with different colors. Paste the map on the left side of your project file and write the names of the states and union territories on the right side of your project file. The states are Uttar Pradesh, Kerala, Maharashtra, Assam, West Bengal, Gujarat, Ladakh, Punjab, Tamil Nadu and Orissa. Next, computer. Topic, hardware components. Write the names of 5 hardware components of computer and write 2 or 3 lines about each of them. Also draw the relevant picture on the left side of your project copy. Next, value education. Topic, my value tree. Write down at least 4 values and draw as well as level your value tree with the values you have on the right side of your project copy. Now I am going to explain you how to do the value tree. Draw a tree like this and then draw 4 fruits over here like this. And then inside the fruit write down the values you are supposed to do. Like if we mention truthfulness, inside this fruit write truthfulness. Okay, the fruits should be big enough to write down the values inside.
In the last page, you write your bibliography. Here, you will write, to make all these projects, I have taken help from internet as well as from my textbooks.
Hope you have understood well. The submission date of your project file will be notified later. Thank you.